Hello and welcome to this course, Pentesting GraphQL APIs. My name is Tenny Omole, a cybersecurity consultant at Cognitec UK. While the benefits of GraphQL APIs are undeniable, using GraphQL can introduce more vulnerabilities in systems over and beyond commonly known API vulnerabilities. This course takes a hands-on approach to pentesting GraphQL APIs. We start out with a quick introduction to GraphQL and shift gears to focus on security vulnerabilities in GraphQL APIs. Armed with the knowledge about these vulnerabilities, we proceed to set up all the tools that we will need for scanning and exploitation. With all tools set up, we begin reconnaissance, an essential part of any penetration testing exercise. With reconnaissance done, we can move to the exploitation phase. And here we will be doing brute force, batching, denial of service attacks, injection attacks, forgery, and hijack attacks. Lastly, we take a look at how to formally report the results of a typical GraphQL pen test to communicate effectively to stakeholders about next steps and controls to implement. We also cover a few disclosed GraphQL exploits that have rocked our tech ecosystem. There are no prerequisites to this course other than basic IT skills and a familiarity with APIs. By the end of this course, you will be confident to perform penetration tests on GraphQL APIs, and you will know how to secure GraphQL APIs in a production environment. So, here we go.